Yes, who is joined? Good afternoon. Can someone message? Okay, today we are doing the revision on current electricity or electric current and its effect. Okay, yesterday we did the physical and chemical change, all the question answers we covered. Okay, today we can cover some very short question answers, short extra question answers, and long extra question answers we are trying to finish in this session. Okay, so here we can start with the very short extra question. Okay, so first question is that you can write down what is the circuit diagram. First question, what is the circuit diagram? So what do you mean by a circuit diagram? It is a symbolic representation of electric circuit, okay, by using different components like resistors, capacitors, inductors. Okay, that is nothing but what? Symbolic representation, and that symbolic representation is known as a circuit diagram. Okay, next, write down next question. Which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Okay, which property of conducting wire is utilized in making electric use? So write down the question, which property of a conducting wire is utilized in making electric fuse? Okay, so which property of conducting wire is utilized for making electric fuse? Because electric fuse, where we are using that metal which is having low melting point, okay, that is having low melting point, so that if suppose there is a excess amount of current is flowing through the circuit, then that fuse is what started melting, okay, and it breaks the circuit and there is a short circuit takes place. Okay, so the low, it possesses what? Low melting point. Next question, what is the electric current? Next question, what is electric current? What is electric current? So what do you mean by electric current? Electric current is nothing but what? Flow of electrons. Okay, that flow of electron constitutes what? The current. Okay, so that is nothing but electric current. Next one, why does light bulb gets hot? Write down the next question, why electric bulb gets hot? So electric bulb gets hot due to heating effect of electric current. Okay, as amount of current or number of electrons are flowing into the circuit, so because of electron there is a constitution of a current, and because of flow of current there is what? Heat generated, and that causes heat effect, and due to heating effect of electric current, that light bulb is what? Gets hot. Okay, now next question, who discovered magnetic effect of current? Write down next question, who discovered magnetic effect of current? Okay, so Oersted discovered the magnetic effect of the current. Getting, Oersted discovered the magnetic effect of the current. So what is that magnetic effect? So any current carrying conductor is there, and near to that there is a magnetic field is generated. And how can we detect that magnetic field is generated? By bringing magnetic compass near to it, so it shows the maximum deflection, okay, where there is a current is flowing. Okay, next question, how does bulb will glow? Write down next question, how does bulb will glow? Okay, so we know that in bulb there is a tungsten filament is there. Okay, that is a thin wire. That thin wire is called as a filament, and it glows and gives off a light when electric current pass through it. Okay, this is the answer. Now next question, write down the next question. Write some uses of battery. Write some uses of battery. Okay, so what are the uses of battery? We are using radios, that is also known as a transistors. We are using the batteries in cells toys, TV remotes, okay, remote controls, and batteries. There also we are using these batteries, okay. So next, which are used which wire is used for used in electric heater and why? Very important. Which wire is used in electric heater and why? So in electric heater we are using nichrome wire, okay, nichrome wire, and that nichrome wire is having high melting point. That is the reason in those means geyser is there, iron is there we are using a wire or the coil which we are using to generate the heat. So that is nothing but nichrome wire, and because nichrome wire is having a high melting point, okay. So write down next question and getting this. Can you getting what are the questions I am discussing? Can you able to understand? Just show the thumbs up if you are getting. Yes, those who are attending this meeting, at least they can message hi, then I will come to know that who is attending this session. Okay. Getting, can you getting what I am teaching? What are the questions I am able to cover here? That answers can you able to understand? Can you able to understand the answers which I am discussing here? Okay, so the nichrome wire which we are using in the nichrome heater because it's high melting point. Next question, what is filament? What is filament? Okay, what do you mean by filament? Filament is a thin wire having very small cross sectional area. Whenever current is passing through that filament, then that is what exhibits the current, or it whenever the current is flowing through that bulb is what started glowing, okay. That is nothing but filament. Understood? Chalo, next question, write down. Is it possible? Is it possible for a wire? Is it possible for a wire to melt and break? Why? Is it possible for a wire to melt and break? Why? Is it possible for wire to melt and break? Why? Okay, so yes, no, it can able to melt and break also, because normally we are using fuse, okay. So that fuse is what having very low melting point. If suppose more amount of current is flowing, because of the flowing of